Clever Fox Fitness and Food Journal is an all-in-one journal to plan your nutrition and fitness routine. Its science-based layout will help you achieve your body goals systematically, efficiently, and sustainably. This journal comes in a standard A5 size and measures 5.8 by 8.3 inches, so you can carry it in your bag and journal on the go. It has a vegan leather hardcover, an elastic closure, a pen holder, 3 ribbon bookmarks, thick 120 GSM paper, and an expandable pocket at the back. Inside, you will also find 3 sheets of stickers and an illustrated user guide with step-by-step instructions. This planner is undated and lasts 3 months, so you can start at any time and take a break without wasting a page. On the first day of using the journal, choose your main body goal. Take a before picture and write down your current body measurements. You can compare these to your results on the last day of using your journal. Then set up to 5 nutrition, fitness, and health goals you want to achieve, and consider your motivation behind them. Set a deadline and a reward you will receive for achieving them. Having a tangible time limit and reward will help you stay motivated to keep going. Plan your monthly wellness routine using spacious monthly calendars. Here, you can highlight the days when you plan to work out, meal prep, go grocery shopping, and anything else you want to remember. Set 4 monthly goals and plan activities in 6 wellness areas to ensure you continue improving. Reflect on your progress by filling out a monthly review at the end of each month. Record your current body measurements, compare them to last month's, and reflect on your overall feelings. On the next page, write down your biggest wins and challenges you faced, and plan how you will improve. Reviewing your progress will help you analyze what worked and what didn't, and adapt your diet and exercise in the coming month. The best feature of this planner is spacious daily spreads. With 2 pages per day, you can plan everything in detail. Begin by planning out your daily workout routine and recording the exercises and number of sets you want to complete. There's also a separate section to plan your cardio exercises. Once you complete the workout, mark your workout satisfaction on a dedicated scale. Use the next page to track your weight, body fat percentage, hours of sleep, caffeine intake, and the number of fruit and veggie servings eaten. Continue by recording everything you eat throughout the day and calculating your meal's nutritional values. Write down your daily totals and compare them to your target. Planning and tracking your fitness and nutrition daily will help you stay on track with your body goals and ensure you are moving forward every day. You will also find an empty products table at the back of the journal to store calories and macros for your favorite foods, as well as a customizable progress tracker where you can track up to 20 items simultaneously. We hope this fitness and food journal will help you make lasting improvements and build a healthy lifestyle for the years to come. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.